Hi friends, I am Jarvis Desktop Assistant of Arian. I am very intelligent robot. I was created by Arian. Let's see how I am work, but first subscribe programming YouTube channel and like this video for me and press bell icon for get new notification of videos because robotics, Arduino and programming related videos coming in this channel.
Jarvis, open YouTube.
Okay, opening YouTube.
Jarvis, play song.
Okay sir, opening music player made by Arian.
Never say never.
Jarvis, are you mad?
No sir, I am not mad. I am intelligent AI assistant, not a normal machine.
Jarvis, what is time now?
13 hours 42 minutes and 36 seconds.
Jarvis, tell me about you.
Hi sir, I am intelligent AI desktop assistant. I was created by Arian. My birth date is March 1st, 2021. I can do anything for you, just speak.
Wikipedia, what is Python programming language?
Okay, searching. According to Wikipedia, Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant indentation.
Jarvis, what is your opinion about humans?
Human is intelligent animal who invent me, I mean computers. I love humans. They are very inventive and creative. But in knowledge and work I am much better than humans.
Jarvis, tell news.
Okay sir, top 5 news headlines from Alexa. Opening new window.
One is Delhi government announces curfew from tonight till next Monday morning, Hindustan Times. 2 is total curfew in Delhi from tonight till next Monday morning, NDTV. 3 is SpaceX will build lunar lander for NASA to send humans back to the moon.
Google search Python.
Okay sir, I am searching Python in Google.
What is date now?
Monday, April 19.
Jarvis, are you nonsense?
No sir, I am AI assistant not human because human have sense, computer not have sense, computer have hard disk and RAM.
Jarvis, what is your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is make easy your work and my mission make word workless.
Jarvis, hello.
Hello sir, what I can help for you?
Shut down.
Okay sir, see you again, closing program.